7 things nobody tells to pre-OT students from someone who was on admissions committees. Stay with me because every single one of these is going to change something about how you're building your application right now. And I promise you, by the time we get to number 7, you'll have a better understanding of OT admissions than when you first started. Let's go. Number 1, your observation hours are table stakes, not a differentiator. Everyone applying has hours. They confirm you are in a clinical setting. What committees evaluate is what you noticed while you were there. The applicant with 40 intentional hours beats the one with 300 passive hours every time. Reflection matters more than accumulation. Number 2, this should change how you think about your GPA. And most applicants find this one uncomfortable to hear. Your GPA gets you considered, not accepted. Once you clear the filter, you're in a pool of applicants who also cleared the filter. From that point, what differentiates accepted from waitlisted is professional reasoning, self-awareness, values alignment, and communication. 4 criteria. Almost no one prepares for it explicitly because nobody explained what it was. Number 3 is the tactical detail that costs qualified applicants interviews every single time. OTCAS opens for most schools sometime in July, not fall. There's a verification process that takes up to 6 weeks. Your application is not reviewed by schools until it's verified. Many programs use rolling admissions and extends offers before their deadline closes. An August submission competes for different availability than someone who submits in October. So that means July is your target. You want to submit as soon as possible for the first seats available, not the leftover ones. Number 4 is the direct consequence of thing 3, and it is something programs never announce publicly. Number 4, programs roll. Late applicants compete for leftover seats. Rolling admissions, offers go out throughout the cycle, not just at a deadline. By October, some programs have already filled a significant portion of their cohort. That's not a rumor. I watched it happen from inside of many programs. Thing 5 is one that I've watched cost the most applicants for their acceptance and is the most fixable. Thing 5, your personal statement is a positioning document, not a biography. Committees are not reading to be moved. They are reading to feel confident. Confident that you understand this profession, that you think professionally, that you belong here specifically. Every paragraph should answer one question. Does this make the committee feel confident in my application? If the answer is no, rewrite it. 6, changes everything about how you prepare for your interview. Stop memorizing answers right now. Number 6, the interview is not a Q&A. It is a performance of a professional identity. Committees are not evaluating your answers. They are watching how you think under a little bit of pressure, how you handle it when you don't know the answer, whether you reason out loud, shut down, whether you demonstrate genuine self-awareness and professional humility. Prepare yourself, not your answers. 7. Thing 7 attaches everything together, and it is the one I most want you to leave understanding when you finish this video. Number 7, holistic review is specific. Learn what the criteria are. Professional reasoning, self-awareness, values alignment, and communication. Those are not just buzzwords. They are observable, demonstrable qualities that show up in every piece of your application. The applicants who understand what these 4 things mean and deliberately demonstrate them in their personal statement, their observation descriptions, their recommendation letters, and their interview. Those are the applicants that make committees feel confident. And confident is the feeling that generates acceptance letters. If you want more information, my group sessions cover all of this in depth, including other topics. If you want to read the course on this, head over to the school community just for pre-OT students, OT Student Leveled Up. You can start for free, and then if you like it and you want to dive deeper, there are way more courses if you want to be a member. See you there.